Hello. We are rating white people's fridges.
Yeah, open the fridge. What do you have, Cody?
Let's see, I got some milk right there.
Got two.
Yeah, I got two. Gotta drink some milk. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Look at this.
Well, what are you doing?
Look here, guys. We have our little snack container for your convenience. Help yourself. We have Toasties.
That's right.
Sunbelt chocolate chip granola bars, fruit snacks, white popcorn, nutty butters, whatever the hell those are.
And Sprite. Oh, we can say.
Of course, you have to have your fruit. Bananas. King Kong loves bananas. That's how I eat them.
Oh, that's what? Fresh fruit.
Never mind the bananas. We have our cocks. They're very nice and shiny.
Wow.
I polished them myself. We have our cake. Every white person has to have cake. It's a favorite. It's a family favorite. We are honored to have Cody bring us to his lovely home. A working microwave, an actual working microwave. A toaster with a coffee maker, I presume. No, that is a waffle maker. My apologies.
That's an egg maker.
An egg maker, even
Oh,
better.
this is an egg maker, bitch.
But anyways, we have the freezer magnets, of course. It's a necessity for white people. Pens, pen caps, glasses, Tylenol for aches and pains. Let's move on. Working fan.
Hey, here.